Hey guys, welcome to Pageants and Pythons, and in today's video I'll be showing you one of our vendor booths that we do. Let's get into the video. Over here we have all of our earrings that me and my mom made. Over here we have some of our skulls, dragons, trinkets, and dominoes that me and my mom made. Over here we have some coasters, lamps, clocks, and some little animals. And over here we have some necklaces, some more earrings, some pins, some crock pegs, some little shrinky dinks to make some little bracelets, and some more keychains.
Okay. After all that shopping, you okay?
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!